Okay, so today is Thursday the 11th. Been a very slow day today. Coming into the day, I was extremely bullish, and I actually tried a 15-second long, which in hindsight wasn't the greatest trade ever, but we took it, so I tried it. I longed off the close somewhere up here, off this close, but I got a fill somewhere here, and then I went break even at this high, or stopped break even. We then came lower, right? Got real close to this low, but didn't take it. And we then longed from there, so not sure why we done that. Now the kind of situation we're in is we've got this 15-minute gap we tapped into, and it now looks like we're delivering back towards this low, but there isn't really an entry for me, right? We've got the SMT up here. These highs have been taken, but not on NQ. And yeah, I wanted this 5-minute short, but we closed literally here. So, you know, and I was going to just target this gap. So, you know, I'm not taking a 0.3R trade. But yeah, it's kind of annoying. We literally closed this gap inside it and then just dumped. I was expecting this one to close like, I don't know, maybe like here. And then catch something like that. But it's whatever. It is quite late in the day. It's almost 11. So I probably won't take another trade today. Because like if we inverse this 5-minute, I don't think I'm going to try it, because I mean, you know, where do I put stop? Like here, and it's just kind of chasing towards these lows. But then it's kind of like, although we didn't sweep this low or make an SMT, because we traded up so hard from this low, it's kind of like a protected low in that way. Like, why would we want to go back to it? With that being said, saying it is a protected low, obviously longs do look good. We do have, like, I don't know, like, look, we've got relative equal highs up here, and I was long bias originally. The reason I was is because if I show you the 4-hour, this will load. There we go. So I'll show you the 4-hour. We came down, we swept these lows, and then we came up and inversed this 4-hour bearish gap. So that is why I was so bullish coming into today. Obviously, this is a protected high, yes, but then if you look on the daily, we are just trending higher, and we do have an unfilled daily fair value gap, right? So that's what I wanted. Obviously, that hasn't really happened. And we do seem to now, as you can see, like after we traded up from this low, obviously there was the first long here, but I'm not taking that because that's just terrible, right? We're that close to the low, you know, with 10 points. Why would I take that? And it's just not good, but it works. Whole time I'm looking for a kind of retracement long. We don't get any. We end up pushing up, tapping the 15-minute gap, but we've also now left these relative or pretty much dead equal highs there inside the 15-minute gap, and then we just trade straight down again with barely any retracement. So it's just it's very weird price action, right? Pretty unsure. So I think I will not take anything today, and we'll just wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow we've got no red news. That's fine. We can still hopefully catch a good setup. And yeah, that's going to be me coming off now for the day, as there's just nothing here I like. All right, so we'll come back tomorrow and see if there's any good setups.